It's me, Momento Batty Jade. Momento Batty Jade. Hey, guess who I am? I will reveal who I am at the 1 million subscribers. That is correct. I will not reveal who I am because I am someone else. You may think I am my gimme my dimastiva and beg your Billy, but you are wrong. Draw S&J Vlog banned me and that's why he sucks. I want to say brrr skibidi dub, yes, skibidi double deep, skibidi dub, yes, skibidi double deep is a nigger, and the skibidi gods are going to kill you. I am not Momento Matty Dane, and some people keep saying that I am Mr. Marcus. Well, they are wrong. And some people are accusing Plus Time TV of being Mr. Marcus, and they are also wrong. I will tell you this, I live in Australia. So that leads you down to Ada Bauer, Shlee, and someone else, DeMarcus. So one of those three people are me. So go to www. Dave's big hot ass chicken motherfuckers Pornhub asshole racism website.com /beta vagina videos.
Which soundtrack's better?
Plus Mr. Marcus, even two, fun creator, Plus Time TV, S&J Vlogs, tech person, split PvP, Gerald, and Mr. Schleen. We will make multiple more websites with random people's names. But for now, I go by Momento Batty Jane. Let's listen to Magma's voice repeating, which soundtrack's better? People like Kapar the Gamer are pieces of shit, cause they don't know what a friggin' Momento Batty Jane. They blame Mr. Marcus. But it is not true. I am not Mr. Marcus. So pick someone else. I will tell you this. I used one of Mr. Marcus's clips from his channel that he made whenever I first commented on the channel. But you'll never find out where it is. And you'll never find out cause I'm not just gonna reveal myself. Ha ha! I want to say that I'm not going to reveal myself.